Hello, Moni speaking. How you doing? What you doing? And how are you doing it? Today's video is going to be our December Ipsy bag. Look at how pink and starry it is. I love it. It looks so cute. Oh my god. I literally was not even supposed to be receiving this because I thought I canceled my subscription, but it's here, so we might as well just do a review on it. But before we get started, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you. That was my ending. Anyways, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. But yeah, okay, so let's go ahead and open it and see what's in here. Okay, looks like we got some nail polishes in the bag. I love these poppy things. Okay, now I'm trying to open it, but they just keep popping. This is good because I was just about to redo my nails because my toes are looking pretty hideous. But anyway, so I got People of Color nail polish in the shade Rodeo Drive red nail polish. Then the other one is white, it looks like. Makita, but it has sparkles in it. Look at that. That's really pretty. Wow, I'm gonna try that out. And then look at my nails too. Like, these are like grown out and these are like stubs, so I'm like trying to get them the same length because I don't want to cut these off, but I'm gonna have to just to match this hand. It's so frustrating, but anyways, I'll get through it. Next thing is this icon. Am I doing that backwards? Oh my god. Icon. What is this? Oh, it's a matte lipstick. Must be red. But let's see. Yep, it's red and it's called Diana. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the package. And it has UOMA like on the bottom of it. So let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, that was really smooth. Oh, I want to try it on right now. Y'all know me. These are some really cute colors, and it says badass on it. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it says badass on it. I'm gonna feel like a badass. I got red in my hair. What's up? All right, let's see. Oh, y'all cannot tell me nothing. We doing something here. All right, okay, I see what's up. Definitely gonna have to save that and put that in my bag. Okay, what's this? Verb Ghost Prep. Okay, weightless moisture, heat protection, frizz control. I need all of those. How to use it, it doesn't say, but that's pretty cool. Let's open it. Smells good. I should have used this for my hair today because I did blow dry my hair. I was gonna flat iron it, but then I'm like, I don't feel like doing that. So this is definitely something that I needed because I was running out of product. Next thing, okay, this is Dragon Wing eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. You always need eyeliner, I swear, and everything. Anything that goes on your eyes, you always need new ones, I swear, because it just be holding a whole bunch of bacteria and mites and shit that you don't want. Let's see what it looks like. It's a liquid eyeliner. Ooh, it's sharp. Look at that. I've never had, this has to be like a felt tip. But I've never really had like an eyeliner that was this sharp. I already did my makeup, so I can't really do anything unless I put the little lines right. I'm gonna do that. Let's just go ahead and see how accurate it is. Okay. That's what's up. That's what's up. Okay. I'm liking this. I still have eyeliner, so I don't want to use this just yet, but I have it in the back burner. All right, what else we got? Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. What the heck does that mean? You gotta rinse it out. Let's see. Lactic acid, hyaluronic, I don't know how to say it, acid, improves pores and texture while hydrating and smoothing for dewy, refreshed looking skin. How to use AM or PM. Apply an even layer to clear skin. Okay, that sounds easy. You don't rinse it out. Okay. This is what it's looking like. Let's smell it. Oh, and it has a smiley face on there too. And it got this thing in there. Ooh. Kind of smells like cereal. What kind of cereal? Fruit Loops. That's what it smells like. So if you like Fruit Loops or the smell is Fruit Loops, then this will be good for you. But this is for the face. I can't put this on right now, so I'm not even gonna dare do that. But it's green, like it has like cucumber in it, but it probably doesn't. All right, those were my 5 things. I don't have anything else in here except for they always have these cards in here, and it says time to shine, which I believe that is definitely my time to shine. Anyways, sparkling, shimmering, totally unforgettable. This month, wrap yourself in silver and gold beauty looks. Get your skin glowing and share your light inside and out with the ones that you love. 'Tis the season to treat yourself. Okay, and then, ooh, 2022 beauty horoscopes. Okay, I'm a Virgo if y'all have not known that. So it says, say no to unnecessary excess, pare back your routine and indulge in simplicity. Okay, that's what's up. I liked this bag. This was an interesting bag. But that's up and done. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.